Hi, my name is Martin Lee, and I will be doing my A1 industry video on the Ford Motor Company for Business 350. Ford Motor Company was founded by Henry Ford and incorporated on June 16, 1903. Henry Ford introduced methods for large-scale manufacturing of cars using elaborately engineered assembly lines. In 1908, Ford introduced the mass-produced Model T, which sold millions over 20 years. Today, Ford is the second largest US-based automaker and the sixth largest in the world. According to my SWOT analysis, the strengths of Ford is that it sells a broad range of automobiles under the Ford brand worldwide. Ford reported a profit of $4.3 billion in 2023, and revenue in 2023 also rose to $176 billion. However, weaknesses include Ford's product selection, which mainly focuses on trucks and SUVs, and the automotive industry is currently grappling with a supply chain disruption and increased costs. Despite this, there are opportunities. Ford is adjusting its investment in electric vehicles, putting more emphasis on smaller and low-cost designs. Ford sees ample opportunity to increase its market share in fast-growing markets like India, China, and Southeast Asia. However, there are threats. Ford is in a never-ending war with major companies such as Toyota and Tesla for a competitive advantage in innovation. Rising prices of essential raw materials such as steel and steel coil pose a substantial financial challenge for Ford as well. Currently, existing business models aim to provide additional services to increase the benefits for the client and give a competitive edge to the company via value proposition, value chain configuration, and revenue modeling. However, different application cases of electric vehicles means that numerous business models are emerging, leading to better utilization of vehicle capacity, extended utilization concepts, and secondary usage of EVs, and increasing acceptance of EVs. Drivers include vehicle batteries, infrastructure systems, and the services integrated into the energy system. Simulation software such as CSIM can assist Ford Motors in improving its market share. Mathematical modeling is important in optimizing transitions to electric vehicles. The most common modeling techniques are discrete choice modeling and agent-based modeling. Lack of successful business models is a significant barrier to EV adoption. Models like CSIM can assess market outlook, consumer attitudes, production and research, financial impacts, and EV demand. Ford is also committed to combating climate change for environmental aims. Ford wants to achieve 100% carbon neutral electricity no later than 2035 and net zero emissions by 2050. Currently, Ford has carbon free electricity at 70.5%, renewable electricity at 50.8%. Ford is also shifting its entire lineup of passenger and commercial vehicles to 100% electric by 2035. Ford also is committed to social aims, such as fostering a safe and healthy working environment. Ford's code of conduct includes safety policies, processes, and requirements, potential emergency situations, continuously improving health and safety, and a human-centered approach to manufacturing. Based on Ford Motor Company's current financial performance and my SWOT analysis, my recommendation to you, the CEO, is that you should acquire the company. The automaker said its 2023 fourth quarter revenue rose to $46 billion, thanks to strong sales of internal combustion vehicles and light commercial trucks. Market share continues to increase in the United States for electric vehicles. The transition to EVs is a cultural and a technological transition.
Ford is betting big on the revolution, spending another $11 billion to build new plants in Tennessee and Kentucky and hiring 11,000 new workers.
Ford is also looking into expansion into China. Three critical and interlinked priorities for China are economic upgrading, environmental sustainability, and energy security. China is still dependent on foreign manufacturers to undertake joint ventures. There is a growing market for cheap, low-speed EVs in China. However, market risks exist in the form of trade barriers and import tariff requirements. It is also not clear that the electricity system can handle China's targeted EV deployment. In conclusion, Ford's strong financial performance, strong profitability, and healthy dividend yield demonstrate its resilience in a challenging market. Ford is significantly scaling up its manufacturing capabilities. The company understands that the transition to EVs will be gradual and is investing in a multi-pronged approach. Ford is a household brand with a long history. Ford's strong financials, innovation, and customer focus make it an appealing investment opportunity. Thank you for listening to my presentation.